topper Sanvi. I have this copy and I need to cover it. I'm calling my mom from so long, but she's busy doing her work. So I think I have to cover this copy myself. So come and join me and I will tell you how to cover a notebook. For this, we need cellophane sheet, a long scale, black marker or sketch pen, stapler or tape, and a scissor. Start! First, open your cellophane sheet, take your notebook and place it on the cellophane sheet. Now take your scale. We have to leave this much of space. Now place it here. We have to leave this much of space. Now place your scale here. Open your sketch pen and mark a line. But we have to leave some space also. Now keep your scale here. Again open your marker or sketch pen and make a straight line. Remember to take a long scale. It will help you. Look, we have marked two lines, one here, one here. Now we are going to cut it with a scissor. We have cutted the cellophane sheet. Now we will take our notebook, open it. We'll fold it from the corners, close it and press it tightly. Now we are going to open and fold it too. We are going to press it too. We have pressed the cover. Now lift the cover, take a stapler and staple it. Now at the back side, staple it too. Remember to staple it in the center. Now we are going to cut it triangularly from the corner. From here also. Now open the copy. Press it diagonally. Now fold this side. And staple here. Now staple this side too. Same we have to do at the back side. Fold it diagonally. And staple it. Now staple this side and this side. Press your copy. Look, my copy is covered. But remember, if you want to write your name here, Then you have to write your name before covering the copy, or you can paste a name slip. That's your wish.